Hi, I am Janila, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Holy Cross College, Nagarkovil. In this video, we are going to learn about linear equations with constant coefficients. A linear equation of nth order with constant coefficients is of the form d power n y by dx power n plus a1 d power n minus 1 y by dx power n minus 1 plus a2 d power n minus 2 y by dx power n minus 2 plus etc. plus any. This is equal to x, where a1, a2, etc. an are constants and x is a function of x. Methods of finding complementary functions. Consider the equation d square plus ad plus b y. This is equal to 0. The auxiliary equation is, here we have d square plus ad plus b. So the auxiliary equation is m square plus am plus b. This is equal to 0. We have three cases. If the roots are real and different, then the complementary function is c1 e power m1 x plus c2 e power m2 x. If the roots are real and equal, then the complementary function is e power m1 x c1 plus c2 x. If the roots are imaginary, then the complementary function is e power alpha x c1 cos beta x plus c2 sin beta x. Methods of finding particular integrals. Consider the equation d power n plus a1 d power n minus 1 plus a2 d power n minus 2 plus etc. plus an y is equal to x. Particular integral, this is equal to 1 by this one, that is d power n plus a1 d power n minus 1 plus a2 d power n minus 2 plus etc. plus an. In the right hand side we have x, so into x. General solution. Consider the equation d power n plus a1 d power n minus 1 plus a2 d power n minus 2 plus etc. plus an y. This is equal to x. The general solution is y is equal to complementary function plus particular integral. Now type 1. Type 1 is right hand side is equal to 0. In this type of problems, we have to write the auxiliary equation first. In this auxiliary equation, we have to find the roots. Next, we have to write the complementary function. Here the right hand side is 0, so there is no particular integral. The last step is the general solution. The general solution is y is equal to complementary function only. Okay, now the first problem, solve d square minus 5d plus 6y, this is equal to 0. Solution. Okay, first step is write the auxiliary equation. The equation is d square minus 5d plus 6y is equal to 0. So the auxiliary equation is m square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. Next, you have to find the roots of this auxiliary equation. M square minus 5m plus 6 is equal to 0. This is the auxiliary equation. So, the roots of this equation are 2 and 3. Here, the roots are real and different. So, the complementary function is c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 3x. Since the right hand side is 0, there is no particular integral. The general solution is y is equal to complementary function. Therefore, y is equal to c1 e power 2x plus c2 e power 3x. The second problem is solve d square plus 6d plus 9y, this is equal to 0. Solution. Okay, first you have to write the auxiliary equation. Okay, the problem equation is d square plus 6d plus 9. So the auxiliary equation is m square plus 6m plus 9. This is equal to 0. That is, put d equal to m. Now the roots of this auxiliary equation are m is equal to minus 3 minus 3. Minus 3 twice. Here the roots are real and equal. So the complementary function is e power minus 3x c1 plus c2x. The general solution is y is equal to complementary function. Since the right hand side is 0, so there is no particular integral. The general solution is complementary function only. Therefore, y is equal to e power minus 3x c1 plus c2x. Third problem, solve d square minus 6d plus 13y, this is equal to 0. Solution. Write the auxiliary equation d square minus 6d plus 13. So the auxiliary equation is m square minus 6m plus 13. This is equal to 0. Find the roots of this equation. The roots of this equation are 3 plus or minus 2i. Here the roots are imaginary. So the complementary function is e power 3x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. The general solution is y is equal to complementary function. Therefore, y is equal to e power 3x c1 cos 2x plus c2 sin 2x. Fourth problem, solve d square plus d plus 1 the whole square y is equal to 0. Solution, the auxiliary equation is m square plus m plus 1 the whole square equal to 0. M square plus 1 m square plus m plus 1 the whole square, we write this as m square plus m plus 1 m square plus m plus 1, this is equal to 0. Okay, the roots of this equation are minus 1 plus or minus I root of 3 divided by 2 twice. Then the complementary function is e power minus x by 2 c1 plus c2x cos root 3 by 2x plus c3 plus c4x sin root 3 by 2x. Okay, here we use the constant c1 c2 here we use the constant c1 c2. So here you use another constant, that is c3 and c4. Already we have used c1 c2, so here you write c3 and c4. The general solution is y is equal to complementary function. Therefore, y this is equal to e power minus x by 2 c1 plus c2x cos root 3 by 2x plus c3 plus c4x sin root 3 by 2x. Okay, here the roots are imaginary and twice, that is same root. Reference book. This is the reference book. Thank you.